Hey there folks, Andrea Cox here, intuitive healer, holistic wellness coach. Boy, oh boy, do I have a treat for all of you. Apparently, we've been doing sweet potatoes all wrong, according to the internet. You know, I think my last long-term relationship actually broke up because I wanted to eat the same thing every night, which was sweet potatoes. So if anyone is a sweet potato connoisseur, it would be Mama. Used to be like, Andrea, why can't we eat something different? So I'm going to show a way that I really love to eat sweet potatoes. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 375. There's gotta be a better method to this. You're supposed to cut these in half. Are they serious? Okay, so first things first, we're gonna cut this baby in half. Now, I see a lot of people struggling with this portion of it. I don't know why. So first come first, cut your sweet potatoes in half like you see here. We are going to put ours in this beautiful, lovely dish. Then you're going to want to do a generous helping of olive oil. Don't be afraid of fat, you guys. Fat does not make you fat. I'm sorry, but it doesn't. I was a mostly fruit eater for most of my life. I avoided all fats and it wreaked hormonal hell on me. So now that we've cut them in half, I'm gonna actually use two different baking dishes. I love, this is like an old Le Creuset, and I love dishes like this. So if you're a friend of mine, my birthday's coming up, vintage bakeware, specifically Le Creuset is my favorite. Just saying. Okay, so we're gonna stick these potatoes in here. Generous portion of olive oil. I already oiled up the other one. And then we're gonna use some seasonings. I'm gonna use some onion powder, some onion salt, and some dill actually, because I'm gonna make a delicious raw, vegan, dairy-free sour cream-like dip for these. So I'm gonna put some dill on these, like so. My hands are clean and I'm the only one eating these. Product of living alone and I love it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do our other seasonings. You guys are gonna yell at me because my final seasoning is not organic. I picked it up when I was traveling and I don't give a shit. And why don't I give a shit? Because I do everything right. And if I occasionally have something that's not organic, I'm not gonna sweat it. I know you guys are like, oh my God, I would never. Well, that's you. I've been a vegan for 30 years and I think I'm doing something right. Okay, so now we've got these in there and you're just gonna wanna rub this in. I should have used gloves, but I didn't, like so. And you're gonna wanna flip them over, rub that in. Flip it over, rub that in, like so. Flip it over, rub that in like so, and flip it over. Now, you can lick your fingers if you live alone. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop these in the oven, 375 for about an hour. And when I tell you they turn out delicious, I mean what I say. So let me go over this again. We cut the sweet potato in half. We use a generous amount of whatever fat you choose. I've seen some people skimping on fat and using like avocado spray. To each his own. I do not skip on fat and I wear a size 0 at almost 5'11". And then when you put your seasonings on, you want to put them face down. So we're going to use these and I'm just going to pop these in the oven at 375 and I'm going to show you how they turn out. They turn out incredible. Hey you guys, it's been a little while. Let's take these sweet taters out of the oven. What we got, shall we? It's hot, isn't it? Oh my God, you hear that? The reason I love these so much is because they come out absolutely perfect. I'm gonna show you how perfect these are. Look at that, so yummy. Put these on a plate, serve them up. I mean, so good. I'm not gonna take my tongue and lick it or anything like I want to, but make these tonight. They are so nutritious. Sweet potatoes are full of vitamins and minerals. I love them, they're a whole food. So simple, so easy. To show you how easy they cut into. Make these tonight. Make these tonight.